When you focus, you understand, yes, I am to focus on result. And for me, result still doesn't matter. If you believe in result, I would laugh at you. Sorry for that because background sound is there. I cannot uh, stop my neighbors or prevent them from washing the clothes. They would do it. And of course, they are just adjacent my house, so of course they would. So how you can focus? Most of the people do not focus on goals, do not focus on opportunities, they focus on obstacles. As I have congratulated right now, I have said that yes, we have opened our third branch in Birdie. I am focusing on starting the batches. I'm gonna start the batch on 3rd of March. I am gonna start the batch on 3rd of March. Buddies, it's a big deal. Try to understand. I am gonna start the batch on 3rd of March. I have got the board fixed also. Day before yesterday, I got the board fixed. Again on Monday, it means tomorrow I'm gonna get the board fixed. I've hired the place. I'm gonna take the seminar on 20th of Feb and 27th of Feb at one institute. Look, I focus on my goals and opportunities. I do not focus on the obstacles. You know why? What happens when you say, "अरे यार, इंस्टीट्यूट ओपन तो कर लिया, लेकिन बैच कौन पढ़ाएगा? ऐड कैसे देंगे? पार्किंग कैसे होगी?" Are you getting obstacles? They are the obstacles which come always. You people need to understand how you can work on the what? Goals and opportunities. So first, you need to focus on goals. What are the goals which you make every day, which you write every day? If you are unable to make the goals, believe in me, you are unable to make anything else. Make your goals every day. I last year decided to do something. I last year decided to write the book and I'm writing. I'm gonna complete my book also. I decided that I will open the branch and 3 branches I will open 100%. And look, third branch also has been opened. I do not say you people to make the big goals. You can dream big and break this dream into small dreams, and slowly gradually you complete them. You know what will happen in means after a year, after 2 years, after 3 years, when you look back, you will find you will have completed lots of goals. You will have found you may have done lots of goals you have completed. How? Because slowly gradually you are doing it. You are not doing it within a day, you are doing every day. Continual growth, continual progress. Without continual growth, without continual progress, improvement, are you getting? Success, they all don't have the meanings. If you think yes sir, they have the meaning, yes they have the meaning, but back of them there's something which you're missing: your consistency. Are you getting? Consistency of working. Second, opportunity. People, I have already told you, look for the obstacles, they do not look for the opportunities. Most of the people who look for the opportunities, they try to create the opportunities. How do they create the opportunities? When they become proactive. And how do they become the proactive? When they believe in their actions. And how do they believe in their actions? Because they believe in their beliefs. Look, हर एक कड़ी जुड़ती है अगर आप समझो. Every single, हर एक कड़ी जुड़ी हुई है. It's a combination. It's completely combination of positive actions and positive thinking. But only thinking of positive, why only thinking of positive thoughts and doing the gratitude will not get you the benefits unless you believe that yes, I will do it, I will make them happen, and only you can make them happen. For your success, you are held responsible. For your failures, you are held responsible. For your losers, you are held responsible. And when you blame the circumstances, people, मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दूंगा. लोगों ने मेरे प्लेसेस छीन लिए, फिर भी मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. मैंने क्या कहा? अगर कोई मेरा प्लेस छीनेगा, वो मेरा नहीं है, इसका मतलब वो उसी का है, तभी तो उसने डिजर्व किया. तो मुझे क्या करना है? मुझे उससे अच्छा प्लेस लेना है. आई एम टू ऑलवेज राइज अप. I have the leap of faith, not leap of faith, I have the faith and I always do it. And this happens when you believe in your beliefs, when you look for the opportunities. You need to create the opportunities. Opportunities never knock at the door. And if people say, पहले का जमाना था, पहले क्या था? Opportunities never knock the door. But I said no, opportunities always knock at the door. फिर क्या आया? Don't keep the door, let the opportunities enter. अब क्या आया है? Why to wait for the opportunities? Go and create the opportunities. अब क्या आ रहा है? Go, it means head to the opportunity, knock its door, bring them up to your door, ask them to enter. So every time you rise up, every time you make something better, which is very unique. So you don't need to wait for the opportunity. You create the opportunity. How you can create the opportunity? When you become proactive. अब proactive कैसे बनेंगे? When you start completing the task, when you ask for the task, when you leave your comfortable zone. Your comfort zone comfortable बनाता है आपको, जो बहुत दिक्कत देता है. मैं आपको आज के टॉपिक में ये भी बताऊंगा कि how people feel comfortable and they start to live in comfort zones and they regret what they used to do. अगर मैं अपने टीम के मेंबर्स को बोलूंगा ये काम करो, अगर वो छोड़ते हैं, वो टालते हैं इसको, तो बिलीव इन मी, दे डोंट वांट दिस जोन, दे वांट कंफर्ट जोन. और मैं कभी भी नहीं चाहूंगा मेरा कंफर्ट जोन. Every day I want my different zone where I should face some challenges every day, and I do it every day. It means every day, it means today also I have done it. चाहे वो मेरा physical हो, चाहे वो mental हो, I do it. I always promise I do it. मैं बैच में भी बता रखा है कि मैंने I started with the 3 सूर्य नमस्कार. It's not an easy task. 10 हुए, 15 हुए, 20 हुए, 30 हुए, 50 हुए, 55 करे आज मैंने. Of course, body pains sometimes. Of course, heart starts beating. But it's okay. I don't mind because I believe in opportunities. How I bring the opportunities? When I head to the opportunities, I knock at its door. I ask the opportunity to open the door. And when opportunity opens the door, I just held the opportunity's hand, I hold the opportunity's hand and drag it up to my door and ask my opportunity to enter. This is your place, not that. Are you getting? It sounds a bit weird, but it's really true. You need to grow how I have been making everything better. I used to be linchpin, still I'm linchpin in my just brand, in my company. You can be also. You can be the linchpin in your company. You need to ask for the lots of tasks, lots of opportunities. Ask your boss, 100% boss will do. There's a one incident. Uh, there was a one lady, I think, Eat Your Frog या ब्रायन ट्रेसी की एक बुक है, उसमें है. उसमें और एक another book में, I do not know the book name. In that there was a one person who was very demoralized and all. Once he found his friend, he saw him completely energetic and all, and he asked his friend कि मिस आप इतने ज़्यादा एनर्जेटिक कैसे हैं और मैं ऐसा क्यों. उसने कहा कि मैं इसलिए एनर्जेटिक हूँ क्योंकि जो भी काम मुझे मिलता है ना, मैं उसको बहुत खुशी खुशी करता हूँ और वो मुझे पसंद भी है. तो सामने वाले का भाई काम तो करना मुझे भी पसंद है. तो फिर बोला आपको काम करना पसंद है, मुझे भी काम करना पसंद है, बट आपके अंदर मेरे मतलब काम में अंतर क्या है? बोला काम में कुछ अंतर नहीं. कितने घंटे काम करते हैं? उसने कहा मैं 10 घंटे काम करता हूँ. सामने वाले ने कहा ओके आई ऑल्सो डू इट मिस फॉर 10 आवर्स, सो हाउ यू आर दिस मच हैप्पी? तो उसने कहा आई एम नॉट हैप्पी जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ डूइंग द टास्क, आई एम हैप्पी बिकॉज आई डू व्हाट आई लव, एंड व्हाट आई लव आई डू एवरी डे. And my 10 hours sometimes convert into 15 hours as well. And I do not wait for the task. I go to my boss and ask my boss to give the task. And my boss always gives me the task. You also do it, you'll also start to proceed. आप भी प्रोसीड करने लग जाओगे. अब इस बंदे ने क्या किया, बोला ठीक है. वो अगले दिन गया, उसने 10 घंटे पहले 2 टास्क दिए गए जो 3 घंटे के थे, उसने उसको 2 घंटे में कर लिया. वो बॉस के पास गया, उसने कहा बॉस आई हैव डन माई टास्क, यू हैव गॉट एनी मोर टास्क, प्लीज गिव मी. तो बॉस भी थोड़ा, बॉस ऑल्सो गॉट डेज्ड, ही गॉट इन अ फ्लस्टर. बोला यार ये क्या हुआ, ये बंदा इतने सालों से जो 2 काम में ही 10 घंटे लगाता है, 3 घंटे का काम है वैसे, ठीक है. तो बॉस ने उसको एक काम और दे दिया. वो भी काम 3 घंटे का था, उसने 2 घंटे में किया. तो उसने 6 घंटे का काम 4 घंटे में किया. फिर बॉस के पास गया, बॉस द वर्क इज डन. बॉस ने कहा मेरे पास कुछ और काम नहीं है. बोला बॉस सर व्हाट टू डू. बोला डू इट व्हाट एवर यू फील लाइक डूइंग. वो आया, उसने कहा क्या करूँ क्या करूँ. तो उसने क्या सोचा कि जो उसको पसंद है करना, प्रोजेक्ट पे थोड़ा वर्क करना, तो वो कर लेते हैं आज. उसने वो काम किया. वो बॉस को बोला बॉस मेरा वो काम भी हो गया और कुछ काम है. बॉस ने कहा नो. बोला ठीक है. नेक्स्ट डे फिर आया, फिर बॉस को बोला बॉस और काम दो. ऐसे करते करते महीनों बीत गए. बॉस फेल्ट कि ये बंदा 10 घंटे का काम 7 घंटे में कर रहा है या 6 घंटे में कर रहा है. बॉस प्रमोटेड हिम. इट वॉज नॉट ऑल अबाउट द पोजिशन, इट्स ऑल अबाउट द माइंड सेट. It was not all about the position where he was working. It was all about the mindset. मैं आपको ये चीज समझाना चाहता हूँ. You know, a jobber also has the entrepreneur's mindset. An entrepreneur also has the jobber's mindset. Look at the difference. Feel the difference. How you make it happen. A jobber also has got the entrepreneur's mindset. An entrepreneur also has the jobber's mindset. अब मुझे नहीं पता, but it is true. ये सच है. Yes or no? Agree? Do you agree? Yes. So what happened? अब बॉस was very very famous. तो बॉस ने क्या किया, एक बार बॉस को प्रोजेक्ट मिला करीबन 50 लाख का. बॉस already was busy. He thought about that person who always does the task and is ready to do more task if boss gives him. बॉस ने बुलाया, बोला there is a one project of the 50 lakh. Will you do? He said yes, why not? Though he was very very afraid of taking the project of the 50 lakh, but he did it successfully, and there he got the 20 lakh on the spot. It was the position, it was not the position, it was not the promotion, it was the what? Mindset. So when you focus on your goals, when you focus on your opportunities, 100% you are gonna make something better. You are gonna make something better. आप कुछ ना कुछ better करने वाले. And it happens when you understand, yes, I will make it. You don't get afraid. Do you? You don't get afraid because you know that this thing I can do it. So people who focus on goals and the opportunities, they never look for the obstacles. That's called the success.